So over here in Adobe Lightroom Classic, you can see that I have this particular image which has a slanted image right here. Let's say I want to straighten it out by using guidelines. In that case, under the develop module, under transform, if I were to go ahead and expand this, then you will be able to see this right here, as you can see. So now over here, you can see that guided is an option. And once you go ahead onto guided, you can simply go ahead and click and drag a line under which you want to actually go ahead and take as a reference point. So you can see that I can make this straight. And apart from that, let me just go ahead and use this stick as the guideline as well, just like this. And you can see that it straightens everything out. You can go ahead and take this as a guideline over here as well, and so forth. So you can see that this is a building. So let's just go ahead and take this as a reference as well. So you can go ahead and make a straight reference out of it right here, just like this. And then what happens is that it actually goes ahead and then says there's a guideline limit, and you can go ahead and click and drag this out right here, just like this, to actually straighten out the image easily, as you can see. And that is how you can utilize guideline in transform panel as needed. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.